This is a chicken that had its head cut off. In 1945, farmer Lloyd Olson intended to slaughter a chicken. With one axe swing, the chicken's head instantly fell to the ground. But the chicken did not die, because part of its brain remained intact in the body. The headless chicken was still able to move around freely, and displayed clear signs of consciousness. Amazed by this, farmer Olson decided to spare the chicken and continue raising it. Every day, he used a dropper to feed the chicken water and grains. The chicken breathed normally through its exposed trachea to sustain its life. Unfortunately, 18 months later, the mouthless chicken choked to death on a kernel of corn. In 1970, a doctor removed the head of one ape and transplanted another ape's head onto its body. He then spent hours connecting the head to the neck tissues. Astonishingly, the ape successfully survived and regained consciousness, even recovering its vision and hearing. However, because the spinal cord between the head and body could not be reconnected, the ape was unable to control its body's movements. Although the surgery was technically successful, the ape lived for only a few days. A puppy's upper body was surgically opened, and its nerves and blood vessels were connected to another adult dog's body. This was a highly controversial biological experiment conducted by Soviet scientist Vladimir Demikhov in 1954. In the early stages of the experiment, each dog's head could independently react and breathe. The scientists' goal was to further understand biological physiological mechanisms and pave the way for future organ transplant technologies. However, due to issues such as vascular connection problems and bodily rejection, the two dogs survived for only 29 days. Their remains were later preserved as specimens and donated to a history museum.